Hi folks, I'm Kevin, this is Real World Natural Living, and I have another easy plant-based recipe for you. This recipe is easy, delicious, and sits in your stomach nicely. I'm going to do banana oatmeal pancakes. There's only a few things you'll need for this, and most kitchens will have this already. You'll need a blender, you'll need some quick oats, I use gluten-free. You'll need maple syrup, you'll need bananas. I don't have a full banana, but I have 2 halves. You'll need some baking powder, vanilla,
your favorite non-dairy milk,
and you'll need some salt.
1 cup of oats, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, banana, one teaspoon vanilla, another teaspoon of baking powder, add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and finally add 1/2 cup of your favorite non-dairy milk. Sometimes the mixture gets a little too thick for the blender, so all you have to do is stick your spatula in and just kind of work it around and then try and give it another blend. You can see here you want the consistency to be a nice medium thickness. Now you're going to want to heat up some oil in your pan to a nice medium-low heat. Now you can pour some pancake mix onto the pan. Sometimes I just flatten it out with a little spatula because it does get thick. I usually get about 4 to a pan. Once they're golden brown on one side, it's time to give them a flip. Here you can see the other side is almost cooked.
So that's it. It's a really easy recipe. You can have it for breakfast, lunch, whatever you want. And remember, you don't have to eat all plant-based, but it never hurts to add a little extra to your diet. Now all you have to do is add your favorite fruit. Add a little more syrup. And enjoy. I'll leave a link down in the description for this recipe. So that's it, that's the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and if you want to support me further, you can always buy me a coffee. There's a link in the description down below. Remember the most important thing, folks, take care of yourself. Damn, I was gonna do a flippy thing with the pancakes. It was gonna be really cool. Totally forgot. That wasn't it.